What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you the difference between image prompt and image-to-image features on Leonardo AI. So both features are pretty similar, however they aren't the same. So let's view the image prompt option. So you can access these features on the Leonardo AI by clicking on AI image generation from the tab on the left. So if I click on it and then scroll down a bit, you'll see here the image prompt option. So the image prompt option lets you upload an image and your generations will be influenced by this image. Whereas the image to image option lets you create new images or change the style or elements of the image that you generate based on the image that you upload. So let's upload an image here. I have an image of Arnold Schwarzenegger as a bodybuilder posing here. So let's drag it and then drop it here. You can also click to upload the image, not drag and drop. So the image here will be uploaded. Okay, the image is now uploaded. You can choose the image weight, that's how the image will influence the generations. And of course you have all the edits or the settings like the number of photos and anything. And you can also change the model. So let's choose the Leonardo diffusion. And here, let's write in body builder posing. Hit enter. It'll take a moment to generate the images. Okay, the images are now generated, and as you can see, they took reference from the photo that I uploaded. Since all the pictures they do the same pose, that's the front double bicep. However, they do the same pose with the same style, so that means they took reference from this image that I uploaded, and that's the image prompt option on Leonardo AI.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.